you out of this room again. Where are the damn kids? Show me, where are they? Don't let them get away. You sure? You damn fool, you ruined the screen door. I'm sorry. You just take it easy, young lady. Just take it easy. We're gonna fix some supper for you there.
$30-day too.
You see him do that?
What'd I tell you?
Well, he was crazy, wasn't he? He was.
Not as crazy as you are.
Oh, no, but really, he had to be. Because, you see him? He was running up and had his arms and everything. He was going like that. I'm sorry.
Right me out.
Howdy. How are you?
Howdy, boys. What can I do for you?
Would you fill her up, please?
Got no gas here.
Damn it.
You're out of gas?
My tank's empty. And, the transport won't be through until later this afternoon. Maybe not even until tomorrow morning.
What the hell's the matter with that man?
Oh, my God, damn.